friend here back at Lamborghini Newport Beach. The weather is a bit grim, but it is what it is. It's slated to rain. Not a bad showing at all, guys. Ooh, look at this thing. Look at that wing. Look at that wrap. And look at the wheels. Dude, I think that's the fake V6 F-Type. But check this out, guys. We got something quite special over here. There it is, the green Cinque and a loft. Whoa, we got leapers. Whoa. Whoa. They're flipping out. I'll polarize that for you guys. Legend has it that they call him Dan the Man. Whoa. Naughty boy right there. Ooh, someone got pulled over there too. Oh, we got this fake V8 F-Type here, ladies and gentlemen. It's a fake. It's a V6, James. It's V6. The A12 that was rejected at the last show. No Ghibli here today to steal the spotlight. Front and center, ladies and gentlemen. It's completely empty. Everyone's crowded around the Cinque over there in the LaFerrari, as they should be. Kind of makes you feel bad for all the owners that brought their cars here, trying to flex. That's right. This is the owner of the brand new Centenario Roadster inside. Good color on the SB. We got the Veyron 16.4 and the orange or red carbon P1. Fun fact on the Veyron, used to be owned by a guy who ran a porn site. So fun facts for you guys there. The more you know, right? All right, the rain's coming down, guys. This guy's got a Pikachu costume going on here. Everyone's just leaving. Look, it's like a mass exodus when it starts to rain. It's pretty crazy. No, it's the same A12 that got rejected last time. Remember? They let the Ghibli in, but they didn't let this guy in. We're quite allergic to the rain. The crowds are slowly thinning out. Only the strongest and the most hardcore enthusiasts are enduring this potential downpour, torrential downpour. My camera's getting really wet. God damn it. The cars are slowly heading out. Oh, 650S, nice color. Corvette, look at that Littleton, fucking loud. Got Mickey Thompson's on in the rain. I don't know how I feel about that. It's pretty sketchy. Got a couple of hardcore enthusiasts out here in the rain, leaping away. My camera's wet. We're gonna go inside. Check out these prices on these this merch here. $30 for a notebook. Wait, is that 38?
Yeah.
38. All right.
$60 for headphones.
$60 for headphones, guys. What you think? 125. What is that?
It's a bracelet. It's a necklace.
Are you serious?
What about a desk calendar? 30.
A desk calendar. Man, I should get into merch. What do you guys think? Should I get some merch or what?
Get some merch.
I guess they're bringing the Cinque inside. Oh, we got a dog walk right over there. Nice. Ooh. Brought the lift down. Nice. Hold on, check this out. We got this dude's office. We got 1/18 scale models. Check it out. Performante. The 112 scale model. Oh yeah. There it is. Right next to the real thing. Bam.
Very cool. That's cool.
All right, quick break. I was actually filming the Urus inside. Interesting car, to say the least. But my buddies told me while I was looking at the Urus, this Levante did a pull, got chased by the cops. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. It ain't no S-Spot video without a little good old-fashioned police action here. And there it is. It's probably gonna get a ticket. They're gonna throw the book at these guys. OC cops, do not fuck around. There it goes. It's got a surfboard on the top. Oh yeah, check out that zoom, baby. Get that combo shot. The whole crowd, the whole show is over, but we got the Urus right over here. What do you guys think? I'm not gonna do a Doug DeMuro style video with all the options and the features, but check out these fake vents right here. I don't know, I'm not feeling that. That's the first thing I noticed about this car, but the interior is quite spacious, very comfortable. I don't know, what do you guys think about this car? Yay or nay on the Lamborghini Urus? Oh, we got the VIP access here. Here we go. Dan the man. We got a random. Oh, is that an S? Yep. Yes, it is. Got a random Chris Wars in here, all the way from Monterey. Got a Bugatti Vision GT spec Centenario. We're racing. Who's gonna be faster? Oh, we're gaining up. We're gonna roll the windows up. Roll the windows up. We're gonna pass him. Oh, baby! Oh, we're running out of space. We're running out of. Oh, the lane change! There you go. Woo! What is this? Maxima? Ultima? Yep. Yeah, the Maxima. Oh yeah. Hey, we got an Ultima brother right there. Yeah.
It's an SV.
It's an SV?
It's an SV.
Well done, sir. Well done. Check out this. Ooh, check out the trim in here. It's got like a funky little.
Look at this plate. Jaguar.
What a fruitcake! Are you kidding me? Check this out. We got a green SVR. Check that out. That's Alex Penfold spec right there, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice.
Look at the guy. He's like,
He's like,
don't,
why are you?
Don't leave my car. Don't look at me.
Confidence.
We got a proper OC spot right here. Mind you, the AMG badge. Oh yeah. Haven't seen this one before. Black P1. Some polarizing for you. All right. Yeah. Look at the fucking valet. Watch James vlog. He's just like, what the fuck am I witnessing? Oh, hello.
Are you kidding me?
No, I was actually filming you. We're just moving cars, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Fortunately, we're blocked in. The Maxima is blocked in. We got to do what you got to do. Check this guy out. Flower Boy in the 428 high. We got to get out of here, guys. We're leaving the OC stat. Let me know if you see any celebrities here. You know me. I can't recognize a damn person if my life depended on it. There's some sort of Giorgio Armani thing going on here. I'm gonna zoom in on all the people. Let me know in the comments below if you see a celebrity. Check out the F-Type, ladies and gentlemen. It's a R. Look at the spec. Look at the wrap. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think? Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Well, Beverly Hills coming in clutch. We got quite the lineup here. We got the Rolls Royces, the Bentleys, the 4x4, and of course we got a Stradman, along with a silky smooth matte finish P1. Another Rolls Royce just rolled up. 4x4, Rolls Royce, i8, Mercedes, Maybach, P1, Bentley, and another Rolls Royce.
Now we're rolling.
Yeah, now we're rolling. We got Chris's park rental car. He just set off the alarm from right here. Woo! Turn it off. Oh, there you go. Nice. Beep it.
Oh, lock.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, there you go. You got it. Yes. Woo!
Wraith, all in front of the bullshit.
Oh, Mustang. BHPD 90210, locking it down, guys. Check this out. We got the. Oh, look, another cup. Oh no, this guy is fucked. They're impounding the car. This is what happens when they bring the white truck out. The tow truck comes shortly after. Oh, dude. Yeah, there's like legit 3 cop cars and the sketchy white truck there.
Now's the time to do pulls.
That's oh, it is. If you do pulls right now, ladies and gentlemen, you will not get a ticket. We made a second pass here. We got the officer looking for contraband. 90210 BHBD locking it down. We got the tow truck trying to make a U-turn here. Damn, that is a bad time. That is, oh, look, there he goes. That is a bad time, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this combo. Rolls Royce,
Range
Rover, Rolls Royce. Oh, Check that out. Oh yeah. And a G-Wagon. Ooh, cut our plate. Back in Beverly Hills, guys. Hold on. Check this out. Don't mind the music. We're gonna do some zooming in action. Wait. Just wait. Wait. She is barefoot. Yes. Who do they get? Who do they got? Oh my goodness.
Hey, you with the camera.